How to delete watch later videos on YouTube. So let's get started. You can remove them manually by YouTube. So here is how to do it. Open YouTube app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your YouTube account. Now once done so, simply tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile. You can see watch later option available there. Now simply tap on it. Once you tap on the watch later, you will get to see a list of watch later videos you have kept. Now, in order to delete them, tap on the video and slide it to the left side. And there you can see delete option available. Simply tap on it and it will be removed. Now do same with the following. Or you can also tap on the three dot option available there and you can see remove from the watch list and it will be removed. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.